like 10 to 7. I'm super like I'm not rushing, but I need to get home ASAP. I need to get home ASAP again, my friend. I'm probably gonna, yeah, but this is just showing how early a person has to move on a Sunday morning, okay? Oh guys, sun just popping off. So we're gonna put in some petrol in the it's not quarter tank, it'll probably be maybe 3/4 on the 500. So we're there, morning. Morning face, morning face, yes, morning face, yes. Okay, so we're on our way now. See how it is. Not very early, but you know, my guys aren't early. We never early. Well, other okay, but 7:20. 7:20? Yeah, so. Yeah, baby, where you going? That's my one to go post. That's my one to go post. So, good morning everyone, welcome. What are is today? Oh, you already got the footage of you inside, that's biology. Hello, okay. We're at the Mercedes-Benz now. There's some AMG guys here, we're gonna do the run with him today. Okay, wait, hold up.
Crash this guy's vlog here, how's it going?
Alright, yeah.
Aren't you cold?
Wait, hold up.
This guy's got shorts on.
I'm doing Nick style, wait, hold up, Nick style. So yeah, that's just how it was. I like the power. I'm doing your interview style.
This is not what I look
like. Yeah. No, it's not. Dude, I love your style. I cannot do it. So I'm just gonna run around and check all the cars out this morning. The sun is just busy popping off. So welcome, son. Prepare yourself for some AMG goodness today, you bloody shit. There's some really nice cars here, guys. Absolute goals. Absolute. Wait. Sun's out, so glass is done. Let's get the cars. See? I'm busy doing a prize giving now. I'm not gonna win anything, but yeah. Anyways, so the guys are gonna leave now. We're gonna head out. I'm gonna drive over. We are driving to Franshoek, the Franshoek Pass. I think we're gonna end up there. I don't know what time we're gonna get there. Hopefully, you know, we'll be home early. Let's get some nice rollies. Rice is gonna drop it top fast. No, Rice is gonna take it top. I'm gonna take his tack off with the button. Ay. Wait out. We're gonna sweat. We're gonna drive till the engine garage. Short, buddy. You're gonna keep up with us, so it's fine. You should. Look at all AMG starts here. I'm missing it all. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Does that even look like it? Wait, what? Rev it out now, guys. I think you see the rev button. I don't know what happened. Yes, so you got the security. What is this? Good idea. Yeah. Take it. Okay, So the guy's putting in fuel because AMG life. Okay, so we are at the first spot now. Yes, and obviously, you know, you're gonna get that guy. You're gonna get that guy. Yes, just always drive too fast, man. What's wrong with it? What do you have done to this car, me, bro? What's up, my guy? What you doing?
Man?
Are you on YouTube? What's happening?
My name Green Talk, man. We're on YouTube. I'm all the way from Johannesburg.
Oh,
I
okay.
flew down for the Black Series a year ago, and then Alan sent me an invite, says there's a meet, so I'm back here again.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to drive.
Yeah, no,
I'm not gonna
not gonna drive this cars, bro.
No, I wanted to drive from Joburg to here.
Oh, do you have also AMG?
I got two, yeah.
Two?
Yeah, I got
60,
two.
what do you have? What do you have?
CLS 55.
What?
And a CLS 63 AMGS.
What?
So I'm a bit of a CLS nut.
I can tell you got the big boats. You got the big boats. Yes, Uncle. 55. Man, this thing is just absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. Check that spec carbon. And I think this thing is absolutely mega. Absolutely mega. I like how the cop is chilling there. It's just, we have Mr. Copy.
I was telling you that that's how this was actually.
Left the spot now. Essentials. Pick one bite. Essentials, guys. Essentials. Oh, yeah, the heat over here, my bro. One putting in here, Mamu. Because you're the back. I'm going to reach over and then look to from outside. Yeah, that's big. Yeah, look at this little randomness here. Sierra Spra XR6. Is this an Aris? No ways. No ways this is an Aris. And an XR6 in front. Sunday morning is just car club drive day. That's what it is. The Mustang boys. This gorgeousness. Guys, I'm getting way too old for this. I'm getting way too old for this. I can't even. Yes. So. Hello. Don't attack. even the guys are at the meets. I don't know. So we are at the Salaris Pass lookout point, I would say. So here now. Yeah, let's get the view for the boys. Some wildlife too. So we're getting cars and some wildlife. Wow, this is real close.
It's like bigger.
Yes, so. Yeah, you should let the school down first. Like go up and down the road and then come back again. Okay, so we have biker guys here too. Sheesh! Now you get that shots, my bro. Now you get that shots of your car now. Yeah. Are they having a fucking party here? What's going on? Yo, guys. So this is one stop off. There is music playing, so might get a copyright, but I'm gonna try and cut it out. Guys are just pumping the beats here, bro. Yes. Yes. Absolutely mega, guys.
Yusuf started playing. We lost one of our passengers because Brandon decided to go passenger in one of the cars.
That experience.
So Nicholas, yes, so I'm jelly. How did Nick go for a drive and not me? I didn't know you were taking drives. I'm jelly, I'm cross. I'm actually cross.
Hey, you can't be cross. You're in an AMG the whole day.
Yeah, but this one.
You can't have them all.
Yeah. How was it? Wait, hold up. Woo. How was it? I'll get you. Look at this guy. He's fresh out of Black Series.
That was just so cool.
Play. The sound of his people. Guys are doing up and down pulls. I think we're gonna leave now and drive the Frankfurt Pass. But I'm gonna jump in the 507. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you, brah.
Oh, yeah,
So, bye. I'm gonna jump in my. You enjoy yourself.
I don't know how you're getting up.
Are you doing burnouts? Let's go. Right up, seatbelt. Oh, it feels so familiar, man. Yo! That's... That's not right. That's not right at all. It's even louder on the inside. We get the echoes when they drive past, man. Hey, mas was proeven, joh. What the? Mas so we have the acid here with a 507 and he's got like a pop. What do you have on it? It's like a tune on here. It's a tune on here, but yeah.
So there's one wolf
Chip and what? Guys, wait a minute.
Nothing aggressive or so on. It's like a passive.
Yeah, but it's still pulls strong, bro. It pulls super strong. The seat is pretty comfortable. I always thought that a 63 seat would be like too small for me, but it's
You can
actually
adjust it, yeah. How you wanted to argue. You can separate the sides. If you wanted to drag you first, like your mochi drag you first in the hand.
Nah.
You can walk for him like that also.
Mochi don't listen me at night. Very comfortable ride. It's actually very smooth. My car rides stiffer than this. Yeah. We just take that in for a second. My car is stiffer than this car. You don't have adjustable suspension.
Actually, no, I don't think so. I don't know. No.
Okay, it's fine. It doesn't have it very long.
Sports
Yeah. It doesn't have
I
very
don't know
long.
what RS is for though, but yeah, we just leave it at that.
It's what?
RS. I don't know what that option is.
I don't know either. Beanbags, what?
Fuck yeah.
So we're at the end spot now, but we're gonna have a little bit of a wine tasting.
We're just gonna goggle and
Not a
spit
bad
out.
ad.
We're not gonna swallow, no?
We're just gonna taste. Nothing wrong with tasting the flavors. Here on wine. White wine. Super nice spot. It's the in spot, and Caleb organized this. I don't know what the farm is. Give me a second here. Just called Grand Province Heritage Wine Estate. Thanks for hosting us. I'm gonna leave soon. But yeah, been good. I think I'm gonna outro in the car. Okay, so guys at the in spot. And yeah, we're gonna go home now. I think I'm gonna outro it here because yes guys. So that is it. That's my day with the AMG club breakfast run. And we're here now, chilling on the helipad. All the guys are here. Very cool. Very cool. I enjoyed my time. I have to go all the way home now. It's now about 12 o'clock in the day. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. If you enjoyed this content, just stick around because it'll be this, and in 2 weeks time another Mercedes-Benz thing. But yeah, I am out, and then the big boss. Check. Here you can actually get a good idea of a normal body and a super wide ass. Yes. No headroom. Tons of headroom. Fucking tons of headroom. Tours. Hello everyone. Wait, so this line is being used? I thought it sounds like a bus. Okay, we're done riding now. Okay, not
Just a bit hungry,
yeah, no, we couldn't have wine or whatever. Shout out to the uncle there for paying for my scone. It was nice. It was real nice. See him again at the milk.